Hello, hello, hello. Hello and welcome to all dear children, all dear students, all dear bacha, everyone. Welcome to Maths Mama. And let us start one more quality problem of JEE Advanced from the chapter functions, and this will be on type of functions, right? See, this was the question which was asked in 2020. Function was given as fx equal to mod x, x minus sin x. Then they were asking fx is a, b, c, d. We had to calculate whether it is 1, 1, many 1, onto or into. Right? So whenever in any question we see mod. Yes. Whenever in any question we see mod, then what is the procedure? First of all, we redefine, because mod x is plus x if x greater than 0, mod x is minus x if x less than 0. So if this is plus x, you will get fx as this. If it is minus x, you will get fx as this. Right? So on this page, we are calculating about onto and into functions. We are going to find whether the function is onto or into. And in the question, they had told f is from R to R. That means domain is R, codomain is also R. Okay. For onto into, what we say, range must be equal to codomain. So first of all, we have to calculate its range. Then we can say if it is equal to R, it will be onto, otherwise into. So see, first of all, we are finding what is the value of the function when x is tending to infinity and when x is tending to minus infinity. Because we can see this function is throughout continuous. There is no point of discontinuity or any breaking point in the domain of the function. So this is all continuous function. So if x is going to infinity, what is the value of function? So if x is going to infinity, first branch, from first branch we are taking x square common, we got this. So if x is going to infinity, x square into this, and x is going to infinity, sign of infinity. Sign of infinity is oscillating between minus 1 to 1. Something oscillating between minus 1 to 1 divided by infinity will be 0. So this is 1, so it is infinity. If x is going to infinity, fx is also going to infinity. Similarly, if x is going to minus infinity, here we are taking minus x square. If x is going to minus infinity, x is negative, we will take the second branch. From second branch, we are taking minus x square common. Finally, we got this. This will go to 0. We will get minus x square, that is minus infinity. So range of the function is from minus infinity to plus infinity. So range is matching with the codomain. Range equal to codomain, so it is onto function. So one type is clear, it is onto. That means this option is gone. Now we have to identify whether it is 1, 1 function or many 1 function. So 1, 1, many 1, what we do? First of all, we differentiate and then we see what happens. So come on the next page. For 1, 1 function, x greater than equal to 0 also we differentiated, x lesser than 0 also we differentiated. So see, upon differentiating, this differentiation is 2x, this will be product rule, finally we got this. Now we have to identify this is positive or negative. So see here carefully, because when it was asked in 2020, most of the students did this question wrong. It appears to be easy question, but it is somewhat tricky question, right? So see, first of all we differentiated, differentiation is this. This 2x we are writing as x plus x, okay? 2x can be written as x plus x. This is minus sin x and this is minus x cos x minus sin x one side and this another side, x common, 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2, and this is some perfect square, always positive, x is already positive, so this portion is always positive. Let us discuss about this portion. If we talk about the graph of x and sin x, for x greater than 0, you will find x will be always above sin x, right? See the graph. This is y equal to x and this is sin x. So for all values of x, positive values of x, for all positive values of x, x will be always greater than sin x if you take any value from 0 to infinity. So this difference will always be positive, positive plus positive, positive. That means f plus x is greater than 0 when x is greater than 0. But if it is 1, 1, either dy by dx has to be throughout positive in the domain or throughout negative. So let us check in x lesser than 0. If x is lesser than 0, then what is the sign of dy by dx? So see, if x is lesser than 0, this is fx, this is dy by dx. Now see this dy by dx, minus 2x we are writing as minus x, and plus sin x plus x cos x. Again we are rearranging, we took minus x common, 1 minus sin x by x, minus x into this thing, sin x by x. This will be always lesser than 1. Its value is 0.999. We study in chapter called limits. So this is positive and x is already negative. Negative into minus positive. So this part is positive. 2 sin square x by 2 is always positive. Minus x. So minus is minus and x is negative. Negative and negative positive. So this part also positive, this part also positive. Overall is positive. That means dy by dx is always positive. Right? So if dy by dx is always positive or always negative throughout the domain, then what we say, the function is 1, 1. So this function is also 1 to 1. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 1, 1 onto function. Right? So this was a very good problem from the type of functions topic from functions chapter. Right? So this was all about from this video. Thank you.